It's easy to feel overwhelmed with how much time you spend fussing with your sales and marketing systems. If the first step towards feeling better about your processes and your systems is adding more bells and whistles into your system, you're probably making things more complicated. Now you're stuck with tools that don't work well together, steps that cause more problems than they fix, and a team that's working harder than they should. If you lead sales and marketing, you already know keeping things running smoothly takes systems that are simple and connected. The best first step forward is to map out what your team really needs, find solutions for those specific challenges, and then have a plan for training and buy-in. At OneTable Strategy, we help sales and marketing leaders step out of the mess and find clarity. In our system blueprint whiteboard session, we map out what's working, what's not working, and what your team needs to be successful. That way you leave with a roadmap and not just another list of tools and features. Simple, clear, and matched to how your team actually works. So if you're ready to cut the clutter and bring order to your chaos, let's talk. Schedule a discovery call today and we'll sort through the confusion and we'll show you what's possible.